poppin', y'all? It's your girl, the SASS, exploring all the fine things in life. And as you can tell from the title, today is another one of my unboxing videos where you are going to be watching me unbox these new Guess boots that I'm actually currently wearing now. I'm not going to show you them yet, but I got these Guess boots and I've been needing to unbox them for a while. And because I am going out tonight, I am unboxing them today so I can finally wear them, okay? So before I get this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to see more videos from me, your girl. You're not gonna wanna miss this unboxing and you're not gonna wanna miss my outfit of the night, okay? As you see here, all right? Let's get this unboxing started. Alright guys, so here's the box. I have it on a little stool here and we are gonna unbox this. As you can see, as soon as I open it, kind of the box, little Guess wrapping paper right here. Okay. There's the Guess box right here. It's so cute. And when we open it up, here are the boots. Okay, got me some all black crocodile boots. Here's the next one. Like I said before, I got invited to a comedy show, so I am trying to put an outfit together. These are the boots. They're kind of twist up, but I had them in the box for a very long time, okay? So there's the heels. This is not the first Guess boots that I have, guys. I have the nice, beautiful cheetah print ones that actually I haven't worn in a while. I should wear them, but I want to show you guys the outfit I put together with this, okay? All right, guys, these are how the boots look. Oh my God, they were so hard to get on. They're like skin tight. I definitely could tell that I like gained some weight. But then again, I do have some thick tights on, but these are how the boots look on my one foot. I didn't want to put on the foot because I'm too lazy, but oh my God, they look so wonderful. I'm gonna have to like, really wear some thin tights or wear them with like shorts in order for these shoes to work out. But here's the boots. Okay, I'm definitely going to put an outfit together to show you guys how it looks with an outfit, but these are it. These are the Guess boots. Ooh. Alright you guys, I'm back. I just had to get myself all dolled up for my outing tonight. After some technical difficulty and a lot of struggles, I finally got the boots on. Here they are. Okay, these are how the boots look like. Okay, they're really cute. I paired it with these old American Apparel pants and this crop top. I'm just showing you guys a little bit how I would dress down with it, but I definitely go with a little all black here. Then I got this beautiful jacket that I haven't got to wear, this houndstooth jacket. I haven't got to wear yet. Someone actually recommended to me, but this is the jacket. Look at this jacket. I've been waiting to wear this jacket, okay? This is how it looks. Give you a little view, up and down view, okay? And of course, I have to pair it with my Ray sunglasses from Dear Taylor. Ooh, that's how we're looking. All right, guys, I have my little clutch right here to pair it with it. So it's like all black with a white houndstooth coat just to kind of make it stand out. So this is the outfit. This is the outfit for the night, okay? So guys, we are at the end of my video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, show your girl some love, comment down below if you guys have any questions. Let me know what you rate my outfit from 1 out of 10, 10 being the best, honey. Okay, I love a little feedback, all right? And of course, your girl will be back with another video as I always promise. See you in my next video, guys. And goodbye. I'm going out tonight. I'm going out.